Good morning, students. Welcome to today's section. Today we are going to discuss about our worksheet of 7th chapter. Take a worksheet, complete the objectives in worksheet, and long and short question answer value based questions on your fine notebook. Okay. First one, fill in the blanks. The dash is the framework of the bones that give the support to our body. So which is the framework of the bones? It is a skeleton. The backbone, it is made up of series of small bones. What is this? It is a vertebrae. Third one, the rib cage protects the dash. The rib cage protects the lungs and heart. Fourth one, eyes is connected to the brain by the nerve. Which nerve? It is a optic nerve. Fifth one, there are dash type of joints found in our body. How many type of joints are there? There are 4 types of joints. Dash is the longest bone in a human body. Femur is the longest bone in your human body. The joint in the shoulder, it is an example of ball and socket joint. Eighth one, a place where the 2 bones meet is called as a joints. Ninth one, eyelashes protect the eyes from dust. Ear, eye, nose, skin and tongue, they are called as a sense organs. Soft elastic substance that holds the bone, it is called as a ligament. 12th one, dash is responsible for reflex action. It is a spinal cord. So 13th and 14th, it is an extra question. You have to find the answer by yourself. And then answer the following in one word. First question, how many bones does a human skeleton have? We have 206 bones. What type of the joint is present in your hip? Namely, ball and socket joint. Third one, which is the largest part of the brain? Namely, the cerebrum. Fourth and fifth, what type of the joint do you find in wrist and ankle? Namely, the gliding joints. Which part of the brain do control the heartbeat? It is the brain stem. Seventh one, which organs of the body do store information in our memory? It is the brain. Eighth one, the brain, spinal cord and the nerves, they collectively form what? They form the nervous system. And then true or false? The rib cage protects the nerves. It is a false statement. Rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Second one, backbone is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. Yes, the statement is true. The hip and shoulder joints, they are the example of ball and socket joints. Yes, it is a true statement. Fourth one, the middle hair help us to balance our body. No, it is a false. Of the 2 jaws, only upper jaws moves. It is a false statement. 6, only the lower jaw will move, right? Sixth one, cardiac muscles are present in heart. Yes, it is a true statement. Skull protects the most important organ. It is a brain. Yes, our brain is protected by the skull. It is a true. Eighth one, skin help us to see. Skin help us to see? No, eyes only help us to see. So the statement is false. Ninth one, 2 pairs of the floating ribs, they are called a rib cage. Yes, it is a true. The longest bone in our body is found in the hind limbs. No, it is a false. And then choose the correct option. First one, the bones in the spine are, they are called as a vertebrae. Bones, ligament and cartilage, they form the muscular system. Where are the red blood cells made? They are made in the bone marrow. Fourth one, which system include the ligaments? So ligaments is a muscular system. Fifth one, the main function of the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue helps the body to move. And then answer the following in the short. We have discussed several times. Let us see. What is a vertebrae? So our backside, the spine, it is made up of the 33 small bones. It is called as a vertebrae. Second one, name any two voluntary muscles. The muscles found in the legs and arms. What are the three type of nerves? Motor nerves, sensory nerves, and the mixed nerves. What is a brain stem? The brain stem, it is located at the lower part of the brain. It connects the brain with the spinal cord. So functions like breathing, digestion, and heartbeat. For this, it is useful. What are the parts of the skeletal system? The skull, the ribcage, the backbone, and the limbs. So these are all the parts of the skeletal system. And then answering long. First question, explain about the three type of the nerves. Okay. So answer the following in long. First question, explain about the three type of nerves. As we discussed in the class, there are three type of nerves are there. First one, sensory nerves. Second, motor nerves. Third, mixed nerves. What is the sensory nerves will do? It will carry the messages from different part of the body to the brain. Okay. And what did the motor nerves will do? It will carry the messages from the brain to different part of the body. What is the mixed nerve will do? It will carry the messages same from the different parts of the body to our brain. Second question, explain about the structure of the human eye with a neat diagram. So diagram is in page number 93. You have to write only the structure of and its function. First, it is a cornea. It is the thin transparent layers that covers the front of the eye. Second one is iris, the round colored part of the eye behind the cornea. It is called as an iris. Third one, pupil. It is present at the center of an iris. What is function? It will control the amount of light enters. Sclera, that is the white part of an eye. Lens, it is located between the iris and the pupil. Retina, the inner lining at the back of the eye. It is called as a retina. Just you have to write only the structure, the functions and structure of this human eye. And this is the value based question. Listen carefully. The diagram is given here and some clue words are present at the top. You have to arrange them properly. Okay. So first one, it is a skull, and second one, it is called as an arm bones. Third one, it is called as a rib cage. Fourth one, it is a pelvis. Okay, you have to arrange them properly. It's the homework for you. See you tomorrow, students.